Introducing the Intuitive Hour. Awaken your inner voice with psychic medium, author, and intuitive life coach, Michelle Beltran. The Intuitive Hour will empower you to learn how to magnify the powers of your intuitive voice. Listen in and expand your understanding of what it means to be psychic and how to awaken, amplify, and trust your inner voice.
Greetings and welcome to the Intuitive Hour, Awaken Your Inner Voice. Sure happy you're here with me today. I'm your host, Michelle Beltran, and the author of Take the Leap, What It Really Means to Be Psychic. Today we're discussing Chapter 30 of my book, and this is the conclusion of Take the Leap. I think we would all agree that there are things in the world we can't understand. All around us, things function without explanation. Even the sun rises and sets without our input, and would do so whether or not we were around to see it. There are concepts we can't explain: unconditional love, devotion, honesty, and sacrifice. If we're serious about making the most of our lives here on earth, we'll endeavor to find and be our truest selves. We'll crave a soul that is pure, kind, and considerate. We'll want to pay homage to things and integrity, concepts and ideals growing within us, concepts life urging us to seek. We often strive for good, not always knowing how to achieve it. This book is not intended to be the answer to these unknowns. It is written merely to tell you what could be. Who we are and what concepts we choose to worship or honor are totally within our capacities as humans to claim. Whatever choice you make about aligning yourself with a philosophy, you should make it with seriousness and forethought. Throughout your life, you will be arming yourself with knowledge, but you will also be aligning yourself with a belief structure. Anything that calls you to believe, not just know, requires deep thought. You will be making a commitment affecting how you live, how you guide others, and how you approach the sacred things of life. I have to introduce you to another way of thinking, another way of being, and another realm of reality. Take from this book what speaks to you, and use the information as a tool to enhance your life. If what has been discussed here resonates with you, use the information to find a new and more expansive you.
Thanks for listening to the Intuitive Hour. If you're inspired to take your intuitive development to the next step, be sure to enroll in Michelle's newly released Kickstart Your Intuition e-course at michellebeltran.com.